Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. I haven't been vlogging for a while, but today I'll be going on the road. I'm gonna meet up with a friend, and I have some stuff to do, so I'm gonna take you along with me. Before I meet up with her, I'm gonna have to catch the bus, so I'll see you in another clip. Sun kind of warm still, but I am not too far from the bus stop. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Smile. So this is where I'm standing waiting on the bus. It's a beautiful view. You can see the sea, people out here. There's a little boat. Yep. So I'm just here standing waiting on a bus. So a bus is coming and I'm gonna get on this one. So I am off the bus and I'm gonna make my first stop. So I carry my ring light to come get it fixed. I don't know if it's gonna work, but as you can see, my ring light is out, so I can't do no record. And Tanisha is here. You know, say hello. You guys have met her already. She have been in few of my vlogs, but she's here today again. Okay. So this is where I stopped to get my ring light fixed. Said lots of supplies for phones, computers, what again, plugs. So if you want to get anything to buy, this is where you can come to get all your electrical fittings, phone fittings, TV fittings and stuff. Okay.
Give me an high five then. Alright. Honestly. My lighter. My glass for real. You just saw that on? What? Lighter. Rock again. Yo, my lighter work you too. My light fix.
Up and make up now.
I'm if you tell you. I will tell you.
Are you dog?
Yeah.
So guys, the rain is falling and I do not have an umbrella, so I come to get one in the pharmacy. But guess what, you know, Jamaicans, we are always searching for something. The umbrella is what we are here for, you know, the umbrella only. But look at us strolling, sorry, and we are only here to get one umbrella. Looking for what we did not put down. Jamaicans, that's their style. So our plans for today spoil, so we can't go nowhere else, so we're gonna just buy some food and go home. So guys, because we couldn't stop for have lunch, we ended up stopped at Burger King. Okay. Food. I love food. raining, so I am going home to find something else to do because the rain just made a mess of what we had planned. But it is what it is, and we cannot do anything about it, so we're just gonna head home. So after I got home, we decided that we were going to go out for a drink, so I just did a little simple beat makeup, you know, nothing too extra, just to add a little more beauty to the beauty I have. So this what I did, something simple just to go out. We went out to have drinks. So we are on our way. The rain is still falling, but we are going out to have a drink. We gotta drink some rum, some wine or something. Feel good, go to sleep. Okay. Man, it's crazy on the road, guys. Take your time when road is wet. You hear what? Slippery when wet. So guys, this is where I am gonna end the vlog. I just got back home. I really did not get a chance to record while I was out. It is 12:29 and I'm gonna clean this makeup off and I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for staying with me, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will never miss another upload. Thank you so much. Bye.